Two of those would be a telegram, right? Nobody knows what a telegram is anymore because we don't use them. Who just did that? No, I want to know. Stand up. We'll stay here until either that person admits who it is or the person sitting around them tells me who it is. Who was it? Nobody knows? It was back here? I've been hearing it in this room, like, regularly. Not sure I believe that. Stay out of class. Whatever it is you need to do to get over it. I want to know why 220 other people in this room don't find the need to do that.